Alright, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, Dan here from DV Custom Pieces, and just doing a quick run over my system. So, there she is right now. Unfortunately, there's only one card in there, and as you can see, I've done the greatest job of bypassing where the second card was. That card's actually coming out tomorrow and being shipped off to its new owner, so we'll have something else in there this week, next week, something pretty. Right, my secondary screen, my third screen, I guess you'd say, my little Kogan, and then here is the beauty. This is a Samsung CRG9. It's a 49-inch, 32:9 aspect, super ultra wide. It's 5120 by 1440 at 120 Hertz. It is FreeSync 2 compatible and FreeSync HDR2, whatever they want to call it. I'm not running that with the NVIDIA card at the moment, but maybe one day. We've got the system there. We have a Threaripper 3960X running at a custom PBO, running on 12 cores, not 24 at the moment, because Far Cry hates when 12 cores are enabled, 24 cores are enabled. So 1080 Ti is overclocked. We've got 32 gig of G-Skill Trident Z RAM in there, which is running at 3798 megahertz C15. Yep, we've got some little toys and bits and pieces, and then my collections of different boxes and so forth. Different CPUs and bits and pieces, and then all old graphics cards along here. There we go. Yeah, it's really a Titan Z. And it's just a little system I'm working on. And my test bench. And a little friend who's really wanting to come out and play. So there we go. This is where a lot of the testing and modding and so forth happens. And if anybody is interested in this screen, please feel free to hit me up. I have nothing but good things to say about it. Yes, it's expensive, but shit, it's very, very good. It's the best image on a screen I've seen in a very, very long time. Liquid cooling, sorry. So we run twin pumps back here, twin pumps, twin reses. We have temperature and flow meter down there. We run twin 360 radiators in the PC itself, and then they actually plumb off, and behind here you see we have got a 840 radiator there, which is inside. We have on the other side of this wall here, we have it plumbed through, and on the outside there we have another 840 radiator, which that outside radiator in wintertime, which it is now, is getting that water nice and cool. We also use I use a toggle switch here under my desk, which I can turn fans outside off and fans inside on, or both of them off, or both of them on, depending on the temperatures and what I'm trying to achieve. Anyway, there we go. Hope you enjoyed.